Today on the Do-It-Yourself Dad channel, how to fix a broken cable on your recliner. There's two basic systems for how these recliners work. There's the pull handle, which are the big levers on the side, and then this type. These have a cable release. There's 2 or 3 different kinds of cable releases, so before you order your parts, make sure you figure out which ones you need. There's these type with the pull handle. There's also one with a little pull lever, and then some have a spring, a return spring at one end, and some do not. And we'll have all the different types linked in the description below, so you can hop online and check out which one you have before you go and order parts. So your first step is figuring out what parts you need. So you're going to flip the recliner over to get at the bottom where you can get to the cables. And you can see here's the cable housing that runs up in there. And in our case, the actual cable snapped, so the handle is gone. But you're going to go down here inside the mechanism and unhook your cable. And if you look down in there, this is a very simple system. It's a little S that you just kind of have to work out. So let's pull that part out. So you're going to locate where the cable comes into the mechanism here and pull it through so there's a little bit of slack, and then you just work the cable out. You'll see there's an S, and that S is kind of what holds that cable in place. From here you can actually pull the whole cable through your housing if it's broken, and you're going to measure the length of this cable. So now with the cable out, get a measuring tape or a ruler and measure the length of that cable. In our case it's a 36-inch cable, and you're measuring the cable to where the handle used to be. So on a new cable, you're going to measure from the S hook on one end to this part of the cable, and you're going to find 36 inches. Also take note of what kind of mounts your cable housing used on your couch. And on this end, some have a return spring and some don't. So take note of that before you go down in the description below and order your part. Okay, now you're just going to grab your pliers, or if you can't find yours, grab your daughter's, and you're going to start popping the brackets free that hold the cable in place. These brackets, you should have new ones on your new cable, so you should be able to just kind of break them if you can't get them out. But we'll get that one out of the way. Now we're going to come in with our new cable. And our new cable, we're just going to route it the same way our old cable was. So we're going to take this piece right here, work that in below through that little hole down there. And then this piece right here is going to snap in place. So now you've got your cable routed, so your only other thing left to do is mount the top. After you have your new cable and new handle routed, it's just time to remove the top of the old one, and this bracket's held on with 2 screws. And you're just going to transfer those screws over to the new bracket. And with that done, your new cable releases are in place. All you have to do now is flip it over and enjoy. Now all that's left to do is to pull the handle, throw on a pair of slippers, and enjoy your fixed recliner. If this video helped you out at all, give me a great big thumbs up. Hit that subscription button and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.